Today we are going to learn how to create websites in Canva. These websites are going to be completely free, so anyone with a Canva free account or Canva Pro account can follow this tutorial. And as you can see in the background, these websites are going to look nice on desktop, but also they are going to look nice on mobile. So if you are ready for this tutorial, let's go to my computer. Okay, so here we are on my Canva homepage, and the first thing that I want to show you is that Canva already has a bunch of different templates that we can use to create our own websites. So they have different kind of templates, so I'm going to show you the difference. Let's go here to the search box that we find on top and let's type website. So as you can see, we have three different options suggested. The first one is going to be website, then we're going to see bio link website, and then mobile first website. So I want to show you the three different options and the one that I'm going to be using for today's tutorial. So the first one is website, and these templates are going to be just for desktop use, because if we are going to view one of these templates or websites on mobile, they are not going to look very nice. So let me just show you a little bit of these templates. So they are going to look like this. This is basically how your website is going to look if you use this website template. Let's go back to the home page. Let's type again website and let's see what we find on bio link website. Okay, so here what we find are a couple of templates that are going to be very useful if you need a landing page for people to visit some other pages or other websites. So I have seen these kind of landing pages on Instagram. I don't know if you are familiar with Linktree. So this is a version of those kind of landing pages, but these are completely free and are very customizable. So this is the second option that we see here. This is extremely useful. So I would suggest you go and check them out as well. For the moment, let's go back to the home page and let's type again website, and let's see the last option that says mobile first website. And here we find all these templates. I would say we find more options than in the previous search results. And now I want to show you something very important, and it is that Canva is now offering some free templates and some others that are available for Canva Pro users. So if we pay attention, in this bottom right corner, we will see the free label, but some other templates will have this paid label. So if you are using a free account, let's go for the free options. In this case, I will use this template and I will go for the mobile first website option, because this one is going to look good on desktop and also on mobile. So I'm just going to show you later what is the difference and why I selected this one. So let's click on it. I'm going to select the first one that says online beginners course, but I'm going to customize it so it looks more aligned to my brand. I'm going to create so many things, so stay until the end of this tutorial. And before starting to create your website, I would suggest that you spend a couple of minutes trying to identify how many pages you need for your website, and if you are going to need images, videos, or links. So you have all those assets ready before starting to design, because if you don't have your idea very clear, then your design process is going to take more time. So I'm going to start creating my own website to show you that we can do so many things, and it's going to look very aligned to my brand. I also want to mention that I'm using at the moment a Canva free account, and I will be able to create this website completely free. So let's start. I'm going to delete some of these objects, and then to edit your text, just double click on the text box and then type the text that you need to write on your page. So in this case, I want to create a website that links to some other resources or assets that you guys might be interested in. So I'm also going to leave this link in the description of this video in case that you want to see how this website looks in real life, how it looks on your desktop or on your phone. And also I'm going to be leaving this design as a Canva template in case that you like it and you want to use it for your own designs or your own website. And then I'm going to change the text on this design and I will see you in 1 second. Okay, I have my text ready on this design, and now I want to change the photo that is in the background of this design for one of my own photos. So I already uploaded the photo that I'm going to be using on this website, and it is this one. I used this button that says upload media in order to import these images to Canva, and now I'm just going to drag this image to the background of this design, and I'm not going to change the position of the image. I just selected an image that I'm located almost in the center of the image, and I'm not going to be using, for example, this one because when I drag it to my background I don't see myself, and this is a problem. Let me just show you an example. Let's say that I'm going to be using this photo and I double click and I move this photo so you guys are able to see me, and then I'm just going to go a little bit ahead of the process to show you this because it's very important. So publish as website, and then I'm going to select web style, scrolling, and then open website. So this is the way it looks on desktop, but if I show you how it looks on mobile, this is the way it looks on mobile. So that's why I already opted for an image that when I drag it to the background of the design, my face, it's already visible in the background without having to adjust the image in the background. So this is very important. Let me just save this design and let me show you again how it looks now on mobile. So this is the way it is looking right now. I didn't adjust the image and it is looking exactly as I see it on my Canva editor. Okay, now we are going to insert or create buttons into our website. So I don't know if you can see, but there is a button right here. I'm going to adjust these elements a tiny bit so I can position my button on this section, because if I leave it here it is not very visible and I want my buttons to be visible, right? So let's say I think this size is nice, and now I'm going to use the elements section in Canva. Let's go right here and I'm going to type on the search box button, and here we have a couple of different shapes that look like buttons, and I would suggest you guys go for one of these options because they already look like buttons. If we were going to be using one of these shapes, they don't have shades, you know, or shadows that look like buttons. So that's why I'm going for this one. And what I like about this shape, let me go back to my search result. This one is completely free, and also we can change the color. So this is really great. So let's position it somewhere here, position backward. And now I'm going to delete this shape because I don't really need it now. And now what I'm going to do is to go to, and I'm going to select this link, copy, and let's go to my Canva design, and I'm going to select the button. Now on this toolbar, you see this link icon, select it and then paste your URL or your link here and then apply. Later on we are going to be adjusting the colors on our designs and also the fonts, but I'm just trying to build the skeleton or the basics of my website, and then we are going to customize it even further. And now what we are going to do is to embed some videos from our YouTube channel into our website, and this is extremely easy. So let's go to our YouTube channel and let me open this video on another tab, and here let's go to share and then copy. Let's go back to our Canva design and we're going to more, and then we select embeds. you see this button right here, and then we are going to paste our link here and add to design. And you see we have our video now. People are going to be able to view this video on the website later on. So let me just grab another video that you guys really liked and then go to share and copy. Now let's go back to our design and do the same process, paste and add to design. So I'm just going to make these two videos slightly smaller, and I think we are good. I think I saw an arrow. You see this arrow, I'm just going to copy and paste it here. So when people are viewing this website on mobile or on desktop, they can see, or they know that they are going to find more content if they scroll down. So I guess this is already good. Just add one more text box here to mention people that they can see more. So I'm going to change the fonts and the colors later so they are more visible. And now I'm going to add another element, and this I really love about Canva, because let me just type click and sticker. So I'm adding the keyword sticker, so I find animated elements, and let's select this one. This one is actually my favorite. I'm going to resize it and put it here next to the button so people realize that they can actually click on it. I think maybe this will help with the click-through rate. I hope so. And I guess we are done with the first page. I know that is not looking perfect. Wait, because we're going to fix this. It's going to look even better. And now I'm going to start building here the second page. I'm going to follow the same steps that I showed you for the first page. I want to show you something here. The image that I'm going to have on this second page of the website. I guess that a couple of people are going to ask, did you create this graphic or this visual in Canva? Yes, I did. And I have a tutorial in which I teach you how to create this wavy effect on text in Canva. This is the tutorial that says wavy text, how to create wavy text or distorted text in Canva. So if you are curious about it, I'm going to leave the link to that tutorial here. So I'm going to customize a little bit here this page, and I see you in a couple of seconds. Okay, I already customized the text on this page, and I copied these guys and paste them here on the second page. Remember to change the link of the button if you are going to be using a different link on different buttons. So I'm going to use the same link button, and then I'm just going to delete the previous link and I'm going to paste the right link. Okay, so I'm going to show you another trick that I really love about creating websites in Canva. So for this, I'm going to Giphy, and I saw something interesting here on Giphy.com. Here you can find some GIFs and some stickers. Stickers are animations without background, for example, this one. So I'm just going to click here and I'm going to see if something goes well with my website. I'm going to go for this one because I'm talking about our courses, and I guess the pencil is going to add it's going to add a little touch of learning, or I don't know, a learning vibe. And how do I add or insert this animation to my design? So here we see this link button. Let's click on it and it says link copied to clipboard. Now I'm going back to Canva and I'm going to be using this embeds feature that we used before. Going to paste the link here and add to design. So here I have my pencil, and I really love this feature because you will have animations on your website and it's so simple, so easy to do. Okay, so we finished the second page and I'm going to create the third page and I'm going to show you another trick. Okay, so here we are on the third page, and the design that the template is providing doesn't go with the idea that I have in my mind for this page. So I was scrolling down here on the templates category and I found one template that I think is going to look very nice with my website. So it is this one right here. I'm just going to click on it and Canva automatically grabs this template design and insert it into this page. So it has a completely different style and some elements that maybe don't align well with the previous pages, but we're going to make it work. So I'm going to detach the image from background and now I'm just going to delete these two text boxes as well. Going to grab this, copy, and then paste it on this page. I'm going to change the alignment of the text boxes and I'm also going to copy and paste this button right here. Remember to change the link, and I selected this template because it has this phone mockup that I really like and I think it's going to go really well with this page that I am envisioning to have on my website. So let's go to uploads because I have a phone screenshot of my Canva profile, and for those of you who didn't know, I have some Canva templates available for free for Canva Pro users in Canva. So that's why I have this screenshot, because I want you guys to have a little preview of what you are going to find there on this Canva profile. And now let's change the link on this button, and I already copied the link that is going to go on this button. Okay, I took a couple of seconds to change the text that is going to go on this page of the website, and now what I'm going to do is to create the fourth page, and to save some time I'm just going to duplicate the page and I'm going to change the image that is going to go on the phone, and I'm also going to change the text and the link that is going to go on the fourth page. Okay, I'm done with page number 4, and now I have another trick that I want to show you today, and for this we are going to go again to the more section or more tab, and we are going to be using the QR code option or feature. I already have the link in my clipboard, so I'm just going to paste it here. This is the link that is going to take you guys to this Canva Pro free trial for 45 days. These are 15 days more than what you would get on Canva's website. So yeah, I already had this one on my clipboard, so I just Ctrl+V, pasted it, and generate code. And here we have our QR code. If you want to offer your audience another way for them to access these links, I think it will be a good idea to leave them QR codes on your website instead of having just buttons. So now that we have the skeleton of our website done, I want this website to look more cohesive. So I'm going to be using the style option. So again, I'm going to more, and here we have this option that says styles. So first I'm going to fonts, and remember that everything that I'm showing you here is free because I'm using a Canva free account. If you have Canva Pro, you will see more options here. So I already know the combination that I want to use on this website, and it is this one that says horizon and Poppins bold. Let's click on it, and I'm going to apply to all pages, and like this I applied these two combinations to all the pages in my design. So one more thing that I'm going to do is to go to colors, and I'm going to use the 19s arcade, and I'm just going to click on it. I'm going to shuffle these options until I see something that looks okay. So I have my first page ready, and I'm going to do the same process for the following pages. So I'm going to click on the 90s arcade and try to see which combination I like the most. Sometimes it happens that, for example, I like this combination, but I don't love the button. So I'm just going to change the button colors. So I want this button to actually look pink and the text to look white. Okay, so I already changed all the colors and I adjusted anything that I didn't like, so I guess this website is ready to be shared. So I have 2 tips before finishing this tutorial, and these are very important. So I noticed that when my text boxes are very small, like this one, let me go closer. So the text box is fitting the text. So what we want for this text not to look broken when we are going to watch our website is to stretch this text box slightly like this. So I'm going to do exactly the same for the other buttons. If not, it may happen that this line will be broken into 2 lines and your design is not going to look exactly as it looks on your Canva editor. So this is one trick. And the second tip that I want to share here is very important, and it is to change the name of your Canva doc type. So the name that I have here was default. This is the name of the template that I used for this website. So I'm going to change it for Run the Mobile First website, and this name is going to appear here on top when people are going to be viewing your website. So this is important because you don't want your website to have a random name. Okay, so how do we share this website with your audience or your friends or clients or whoever that you want to share this website with? So we are going to use the navigation bar on top, and let's click on this button that says Publish as Website. So here we have a couple of different options that says web style. You click here and you will see presentation, scrolling, classic navigation, and standard. So for these websites to look nice on desktop but also on mobile, we are going to be using the scrolling option and then open website, and here we have our website. I just want to check, for example, this button that we have right here. It is working, it is taking me to our YouTube channel, and these videos I can play them and watch the video inside the website if I want. I can do the same for this other video that I embedded into the website. I keep scrolling, I see all the different buttons. We have the links here. Yeah, this is taking me to the Run the Bootcamp website, and we have the other links or buttons working right here. We have the QR code, everything is looking nice. And now I want to check how this is looking on my phone. Okay, so this is how the website is looking on my mobile phone. The videos are working, so we can preview the videos directly from this website. All the buttons are working, and the website is looking perfect. So here we have our website completely free and made with Canva. And before finishing this tutorial, I want to share something else, because I'm sure that some of you will be wondering if you can somehow insert or embed this website into your WordPress or another platform similar to WordPress, and I actually don't think this is possible at the moment. So I would suggest that you use the link that Canva is offering us. So when I clicked here on Publish as Website, and then scrolling open website, this is the link that you will be using or sending people for them to view your website. So one thing that you can actually do is to take this link and create a bit.ly link with this link and customize it so it has the keywords that you want to use. Or something else that some other people have done is to redirect your website URL. So you will buy your URL, so you will redirect your website to this link. I have seen some people doing that and it is working fantastic, like there is no issues doing that. So that is one idea. I also read that some people download the images from these websites from the Canva editor. They download these as images and then they upload those images to their websites. But if you do that, I guess you won't have these animated stickers or animated elements, and you won't have this amazing feature to embed videos, and I think this is adding some uniqueness and some creative touch to your website. So I guess if you do that, you are going to miss on the features that Canva is also offering with these websites. And I guess this is it for this tutorial. If you liked this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. This is going to help a lot our channel. And also, if you find this information valuable, share this video with your friends or with anyone that needs to know about Canva's websites. I'm also going to leave you guys some tutorials right here in case that you want to keep learning about Canva. And I'm also going to leave a link here so you can go and check my Canva profile and enjoy from all the free Canva templates that I have available for Canva Pro users right there. So I guess this is it. I wish you guys a nice day, and I guess see you in another tutorial. Bye!